Hi, I'm Alicia with the Business Applications Academic Community, or as we call it, the BAAC. We proudly support higher education worldwide. Educators, students, and Microsoft partners all benefit and succeed through our program. It all begins with an educator.
Hello, I'm Mohammed Razi, a professor at Western Michigan University.
Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Jennifer Page Nightingale, Associate Professor at Slippery Rock University of Pennsylvania, and a longtime member of the BAAC.
The BAAC program has been providing me with free access to cutting-edge Microsoft technology, training, and curriculum resources for almost 20 years. Through them, my students receive hands-on lab experience with Microsoft products to prepare them for the job market while connecting me with many other educators and IT practitioners from around the world.
Two of my students really have had wonderful success stories. One young woman went to work for a partner, MCA Connect, and because she had a class that introduced her to Microsoft Dynamics, she was more than prepared to go and work for one of the partners. I had another student who actually went to work for a partner in Tampa, and he was a finance major, and he took my class on Microsoft Dynamics, and he was hired. The reason they were hired is because they were considered subject matter experts. So it's exciting to see that we have so many partners that have so many opportunities, not just in the United States, but from all over the world.
Hello, my name is Kim, and through the BAC program, I was able to learn how to use Microsoft products in the classroom through the Microsoft Learn modules that were integrated into our curriculum. And now I'm certified in the latest technologies used in the market, such as CRM. The partner ecosystem is so large. It is growing, and there are opportunities that you may not be aware of. I know I wasn't until I discovered this nestled in the special BAC career portal as seen here. It is super important to fill out every entry in your profile so that the partners can find you. So optimize your profile by linking your Microsoft Learn achievement page. And now, let's connect with a partner.
My name is Rob Triggs, and I'm the VP of Sales Marketing for a company called CRM Dynamics. We are a Dynamics customer engagement partner that's located in Canada, and we're focused on delivering the Dynamics CRM components to customers. One of the challenges that most of the Microsoft partners have right now is being able to staff to keep up with the demand that we're experiencing with implementing Dynamics, whether it be Dynamics CE, the customer engagement platform, or even the Business Central or one of the ERP platforms. We've turned to this process so that we could hire people right out of university or out of school and then teach them all the things that they need to know to be successful Dynamics consultants. So it's one of the strategies that we've deployed several years ago. And the good news is one of our recent graduates of our organization has gone on to have a very senior role at Microsoft. And so we're very happy to hire new grads from school, give them the training and experience that they need, and make sure that we can deliver our projects with very certified people on the team. That's how we use the system today.
Creating a profile in the BAAC was extremely easy, and I love that I can see all of the Dynamics 365 certifications that each new student and new grad has attained. This makes it so easy to find and hire students who are eager to join the Microsoft network and who are keeping up to date on the technology being used in today's market.
Here we are, we've come full circle. Microsoft partners are looking to hire in every area of study. Students, head over to Microsoft Learn and earn those certifications. Then join the career portal to get jump-started on your own career path. Whether you're an educator looking for access to Microsoft products, a student looking for a job, or a partner looking for qualified hires, we're here for you. Contact us today.
Together, we can shape the future.